Hi, and welcome to a demonstration of Follow Ninja. This is a free program I created. It's a Twitter auto-follower and unfollower. And if you're not aware, basically what this will do is it will help you get thousands and thousands of followers. In fact, you can get thousands per week. And it's very simple. You just what it does is it can follow people based on either keyword search phrases, so you can target people in your niche, or you can target the people who are already following other, maybe celebrities or business people whose target market is also the same as your market. So let's just jump into it here. You just enter your username and your password right here, number of users you want to follow, and Twitter has limits on this. It depends on how many you're already following. You can follow up to 2,000 people, and only 1,000 per day. However, once you hit that 2,000 mark, then you can only follow 10% of the number of people following you. So for example, if you have 1,000 people following you, then you can go ahead and follow 100 people. Okay, so let's just get started here. You select whether you want to follow people based on search or followers who are following other users. For this demonstration, I'm going to do search. You enter keywords. You can use the Twitter operators, so you can find this will give you the exact phrase for tight abs. You can also find people based on location of where their tweets are sent, for example, within 10 miles of New York City. And then you can also just enter random keywords, just enter one keyword per line. And then you need to enter a delay, and this is how it looks like it's natural, like it's just you going through there following people. So it'll create a delay between following people, a random amount of time between 5 or 25 seconds or whatever you want to set these variables to be. And it'll give you the status, and you'll know what it's doing right over here. Then you just click run and it starts up. So you'll see here it's logging in, and it'll log into my account and it'll start following people. Let me just show you my account right now so you know this is working in real time. I'm currently following 1,913 people. Okay, and it'll fill out this CAPTCHA for you. So you're able to set up the CAPTCHA services if you have that. However, it's not really required because Twitter's only going to ask you the one time when you log in, and sometimes it doesn't even ask you then. So you can always enter them manually as well. Okay, so here it'll search for your keywords, and then it'll scrape people to add, and it'll just start adding them. See how that works? So it's all these people tweeted something about tight abs. So these are all people in your target market if you're in the health and diet niche. Okay, and then what it'll do after it collects all the usernames of people that appear under tight abs, and since I'm following 100 people and there are 2 keywords, it does its best to distribute them evenly. So it should follow around 50 people who tweeted tight abs and 50 people who tweeted diet, give or take. But either way, it'll stop after you follow 100 people, because we don't want to cause any problems with your Twitter account. Okay, and then it's just going to go through. And then it's just going to go through and follow all those people. And then after you're done with that, like I said, the limit is only 2,000 people for you to follow, and then it works on ratios. So then you need to go and unfollow people. You can go in here, you just, same thing, enter your user credentials, number of users you want to unfollow, the random delays here, and then what I recommend doing is check this box for don't unfollow those following you. So it's kind of good karma in Twitter to follow people back who follow you. That's why following others with this autofollower will get you followers. However, you don't want to unfollow those people who are following you. It's kind of bad karma to do that. So what I recommend is do this, and then if it'll check to see if you're following, or sorry, if someone's following you, and it won't unfollow them if that's the case. So then you just click run again, and it'll go through and do this process where it unfollows people. Okay, to get started, just enter your email address right below this video. It's absolutely free to download this software, and once you register below, you're also signed up for our newsletter, where you'll get more free tools like this and other information to help you grow a business online with social media. And of course, you can unsubscribe to that newsletter anytime. Thanks for watching, and look forward to working with you in the future.